Hi, ladies. This will be my last update on my nature swap that I done, the group swap. And I didn't receive Blue Moon Nails, brand 94, 2012, and My Glitz Nails. Everyone that I did get, it was Lori Townley, 67, Shelly B, 76, Celsius Moon, Sensuous 1, Deb Hart, Latina Nails, A Goats, 3140 Baby Girl, Randy and Gloria Rodriguez, Mitchie Loves Art 36, Lee Baby 2000, that one, Miranda Perez, Liz 13 Mars, Lakeisha Munzo, Nails by Brandy, and Zoe Nails by Lucius, something like that. But anyways, I'm getting these ready. I'm going to put a little magic touch to them before I send them out. I have some stuff I wanted to put in them. So I should be mailing these out tomorrow. So y'all let me know when you get your swap. And y'all have a good day.